Hello.
And welcome to Miles on Motors, the road to adventure.
And this time we take you to Quebec City in the province Quebec.
And because there is so much beautiful to see in Quebec, this vlog is only about the city of Quebec, and the next one is about the province of Quebec.
We hope you enjoy it.
Like our video, and we see you at the end.
From Riviera Loop the other day. A little bit of raining. No, it was raining the first part and then it keep on dry. We go to a beautiful city, a European city, all the way along the St. Lawrence River to Quebec. And we stayed the night there.
This view we didn't really use because the rest of the night and day you couldn't see anything for the rain. But now everything is packed again. We're going to put it on the bikes. At this moment, the rain is pretty gone, but it will continue for the rest of the day.
Well, I'm happy to that it is dry now. That it's possible to put everything dry on the bikes, to make the copyrights or the navigation system dry. That the electric is running fine today, and we will be wet everywhere when we arrive tonight in Quebec. Hallo. Gewoon zo ontzettend lang aan het opnemen.
A little warm up after 65 kilometers of rain, and now we're outside. The rain is bigger.
Boulangerie, Quebec. Hey Nadie.
I'm stretching my legs. This is the perfect height to stretch it. So I can just stand like this for a minute and then go on.
Yes, hello, Eric here. We just locked our motorcycles here in the back. 2 spokes, pole, and we also got brake locks up here. One the other one. And we put them also in the steering wheel. Well, tonight we are sleeping in the University of Quebec. And it's very nice because we can dry our clothes and we get everything we need here. This is our room, number 317. Well, let's take a look inside. Open the door. Well, this is the first closet with our motor suits. Just drying a little bit there. And we got there, the one and only.
Hey, welcome to our crib.
Hey, Nadie.
This is our crib for the weekend in Quebec.
Quebec
and
City.
You see here. We see the parking lot, and we parked our motorbikes there. Good morning.
Nadie, where are we now? We're now just arriving.
We are in Quebec.
In Quebec.
And we slept at the university, and now we have like bus tickets from the university. And we go to the center of the city.
Yes, that's what we're going to do. So, see you later in the center. Bye now. Champlain, founder of Quebec in 1608. We will see the first location of the first house he built when he got here on that summer of 1608. We have major important characters. You see the man with the beer mug. He was. Hey, do you know where we are right now?
This is the Place de Notre-Dame. That is Notre-Dame de Victoire. And I believe it's the oldest church in Quebec.
It's the oldest stone church in whole Canada. That's what I heard yesterday. Hey, Nadine, we staan with you.
We're taking breakfast at Tim Hortons in Quebec. What a great place to have some breakfast.
Super.
In the old part of Quebec.
Fantastic, absolutely.
In a park.
In the old park of Quebec, and I got my short trousers, as you can see.
Yes, it's beautiful weather.
The weather is, yesterday it was raining cats and dogs, unbelievable. Now we got beautiful weather, just like this.
There's the city hall.
Yes.
And right in front of it, there's a big Roman Catholic church. And in this church is buried Bishop Laval.
Laval.
And that's why it is not a church, but a basilique. We're now at the Citadel of Quebec. It's located at the natural highest point of the city, that's Cap Diamond, and it guarded the city for centuries, like from 1600 when the French were the regime here. But later on also the British built a big fortress on it, so it guarded from 1600 till now.
Pour les 5 et les 10 km, on est plein déjà partout. Et si vous êtes... Alors, on attend la confirmation que l'épreuve d'aujourd'hui est bel et bien terminée. On aura la confirmation d'ici quelques minutes avec les dernières arrivées des fermeurs. Alors, on surveille ça.
Here at the boulangerie, got everything nice. So this European pancakes, and they also got a little European, how do you call it? Gebakjes, pastries, the European pastries.
Patisserie.
Patisserie.
Life is simple. Eat, sleep, ride a motorbike.
It's the middle of June and we are here at a Christmas store. It's unbelievable. The sun is shining, but inside we do have Christmas.
Glass trains, and stuff, and all that. And sure, but all together, glass light up and train all in one.
I tell you, this is the Fairmont group. This is a big motel. I don't know if it's owned the earlier days by Canadian National, but it could be because they got the same hotels in Banff. Yes. And Adi, where are we now? We're entering the Fairmont group. Is that right? Here we go.
With some acrobatics!
Yeah! Thank you.
Give it up for this guy, everybody!
So this is the, how do you call it, Nadi? Ski piste. They use it in the winter. Now it's in the summer, but in the winter it's all ice and you can coming down with the sleigh. We are sleeping at the university and there are a lot of sport facilities here. We realize now how big this university is. It's really big.
Hey Eric,
Yeah.
what did you do?
I tell you what's up. The last rain showers and thunderstorms, we survived it. The bike survived it, but not our shoes. They were leaking a bit. So I've put wax on it again. So we make them now with the wax waterproof. This pair.
They're shiny.
Yes. Tomorrow we got high temperatures, very high. We took other clothes on the bikes and we put this boots on, and then we keep everything by for the next thunderstorm.
What are these? We have camel bags. Those are bags on your back with a water bottle in it. And now Eric put all ice cubes in the water bottles. So tomorrow we will have very fresh, clean,
Drinkable
water, because you see, it was hot today. Thank you for watching our video.
We hope you like this video, and if you do, give us a big thumbs up and like us and subscribe on the button.
Yeah, in the next vlog we travel through the rest of the province of Quebec. So we'll see you there on the road
To adventure. Bye bye. Don't